6 or 7 minutes, I'm going to teach you all you need to know about long division. So long division, Ryan Fada seems to be one of those things that always comes up as a, Phi Bulvor and Tamar Fada, like a big issue all the time. Follow these 4 simple steps. You will master long division. So I have these 4 steps written out. So we have Rint, which is division. So that's our first step for our long division sum. Next we have Ulru, which is your multiplication, your multiply by, your fall. Then you have Jalu, your takeaway, your subtraction. And then Shias, when you bring down a number in the equation to complete the equation. Follow these steps. You will master any long division sum. So I have a random long division sum right here. So 281 divided by 27. We go straight to RIDS up here. What's our first step in RIDS? It's OR, it's Rint, it's division. So we have to see if we can divide the first numbers. How many 27s are in 2? Well, the more astute among you will know that it's 0. There are no 27s in 2. So 2 has failed. So we have not finished our Rint or division of the RIDS yet. We failed on it. So we have to try again until we get it. Next, our option is we have to move over. So we have 28 this time. So how many 27s are in 28? Ahin. Mashiv. There's 127 in 28. There's also one left over. Ignore that for now. We're not worried about that. So that we can say happily that is our OR from RIDS completed. The next step in RIDS is I, and that's Ulru. That's our multiplication point. Ulru, for multiplication. So we multiply whatever number is here, in this case 27, by our answer up here. So we have our Ulru Krinaha. The Ulru section of this sum is completely finished. What's next? D for Jalu, for subtraction. I've taken my 27 multiplied by 1, put it under 28, and now we are subtracting. Once again, 28 minus 27 is 1. Now, that is our Jalu portion of it completed. So we're finished the Jalu. What is next? What's the next portion of our RIDS? It's S. What does S stand for? Does anyone remember? Shias, Mashiv. So we have to bring down whatever number is left from the original long division sum. In this case, it's 1. Bring it down right here to make what number? Hendig, 11. Now, very happily, I'm able to say, oh, well, that's our Shias portion of the sum completed. So we have RIDS completely finished. This original subtraction line now becomes our new long division line. So we start all over.